Silly. Can you imagine if you're running a famous Malaysian biscuit factory? Now, the old way, your company would order mountains of sugar, flour, and there's a lot of packaging that will fill out your warehouse. Now, what's the problem with that?
I think it would be a cash flow nightmare. All cash is locked up in ingredients. Warehouse is needed. And what if we overestimate and those ingredients sit for a year?
Exactly. There'll be a lot of wasted resources.
So I think there would be a smarter way to overcome this problem.
Yes, indeed. It can be overcome by implementing just-in-time inventory management system. Imagine a new batch of flour arrives from supplier not once a month, but just when your previous batch is about to run out.
So it means it is not having a zero inventory in the factory.
Yes, it's not about zero inventory. JIT is about having a reliable supply chain that delivers materials when it's needed on your production line.
So what is the big win with JIT system?
There are so many benefits. One of it like lower cost and high efficiency. Let's say we can save up money from paying rental of massive warehouse, and our production flow will be less cluttered as well. So material production line will go smoothly. Besides that, we could also get fresh ingredients, no more expired stock, and less wasted resources. Plus, we can work hand in hand with our flour miller and packaging supplier.
That sounds almost too good. What if the lorry carrying our butter is stuck in the massive traffic jam? And what if we get surprise giant order from new supermarket chain?
Exactly, this is also raised in implementing JIT, such as supply chain disruption. See, let's say one delayed truck could stop the entire production line. Besides that, unexpected order is also one of the challenge. We can't just ramp up quickly without a buffer stock. Plus, we could also lose a bulk discount just because we did not order ingredients by shipload. So we couldn't just sit and wish for JIT to work. JIT needs a robust system. We need continuous improvement cycle.
Here are 8 steps of JIT. First, start by designing the process for smooth outflow. Second, enforce total quality control to enhance the entire process. Third, a pull system whereby we only produce based on actual customer orders. Fourth, establish strong vendor relationships with our logistics and ingredient partners. Fifth, constantly fine-tune inventory levels. 6, build skills in our workplace. 7, refine our recipes and machinery. 8, review our key performance indicators to find new ways to improve.
So in the end, it is a complete business strategy. Even though it is high risk, but the rewards in efficiency and cost saving are incredible.
Yes, now you got it.
Tesla is an American company which founded in 2003 with a mission to accelerate the world transition to sustainable energy. Although the earliest founder was Martin Eberhard and Mark Chapman, Elon Musk has become the most influential figure after investing in the company and later becoming CEO. Tesla first gained attention with the release of the Roadster in 2008, a fully electric vehicle that proved that electric vehicle could be fast, desirable, and practical. Over the year, Tesla expanded the lineup with Model S and the Model X to target the luxury market, and the more affordable, which is Model 3 and the Model Y, which helped Tesla to reach the mass consumer globally. The company also focused heavily on the technology, which including the autonomous driving system like autopilot and full self-driving. Beyond automobile, Tesla also invests in clean energy solutions such as solar panel, the solar roof, and the energy storage product like Powerwall and Megapack. These products support a full ecosystem where clean energy can be generated, stored, and used efficiently. Overall, to support the global demand, Tesla also built a large manufacturing facility, which is known as the GB factory, across the United States, China, and Europe to support the high volume production and cost efficiency.
One of the biggest strengths of Tesla company is the unique way of selling cars. Instead of using dealership, the company will sell directly to the customers through its own store and websites. This can help them to control buying experience and build stronger customer relationship. Tesla company is mainly focused on innovation and sustainability. The company continues to improve its electrical vehicles, battery performance, and charging infrastructure. Besides that, Tesla company has also expanded into solar product and energy storage, creating a complete ecosystem for clean energy. These approaches not only can reduce pollution and also support the global move towards renewable energy. However, Tesla company also face several challenges. One of the challenges they face by Tesla company is the electric vehicle market is becoming more competitive. This is because the traditional car maker launched their own electrical vehicle models. It means that Tesla company has to keep innovation to stay ahead. Besides that, their autopilot and full self-driving system also face safety concerns and strict regulations in many countries. In addition, they also face the problem of increasing in cost production expenses. This is because the battery material like nickels or lithium are often fluctuated. In short, Tesla company has changed the way of people see electric car and clean energy, and it's continued to lead innovations while adapting a new challenge in global market.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Business Buzz. As usual, I'm your host Meha, and today's episode we're gonna talk about Tesla applies the just-in-time system, or we call as JIT system, on their production. It's one of the key reasons that Tesla can build car faster, cheaper, and smarter than most automakers. So joining me today is Vanessa and Trishan. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hey, hi, excited for this one. Tesla operation is super interesting.
Hi everyone. Yeah, Tesla JIT strategy really shows how innovation and efficiency can work together.
So alright, we're gonna start with Vanessa. A simple question. So, what's the JIT system and how does Tesla use it?
Sure, so JIT, or simply just in time, means producing and receiving goods when they needed. So it's about cutting waste, reducing inventory, and also improving efficiency. So Tesla works closely with suppliers, so components like battery and chip arrive just in time for assembly. They save costs and keep their production line running smoothly without too much storage space needed.
So it's basically about perfect timing. So Trisha, what makes Tesla JIT approach stand out from other car companies?
Good question, Meha. Tesla is vertically integrated, meaning they make a lot of their own parts, from batteries to electric motors, that give them more control over production, less dependency on external suppliers. It also means they can react quickly if demand changes or if there's supply disruption, which is a big advantage to them.
Wow, that's smart. And I heard that Tesla use technology to make their JIT system even more efficient. Is it right?
Exactly. Tesla uses real-time data, AI, and analytics to track every part of their supply chain. Their system predicts when material will be needed and coordinate delivery automatically. It's like their factory have a digital brain, keeping anything on schedule and avoiding delay.
That's awesome. And we all remember the chip shortage. Tesla handled that way better than the other companies.
Yeah, instead of stopping production, Tesla reprogrammed its software to work with alternative chips. That flexibility shows how their JIT system isn't just efficient, but it's adaptable too.
Totally. And their gigafactories also support the system. Is it right?
Yes, exactly. The factories are designed for smooth and material flow. Parts move quickly between production stages with minimal waiting time. It's the perfect setup for JIT operation.
So overall, what the benefit does Tesla gain from using JIT?
So they save costs, reduce waste, and improve sustainability. They also help Tesla to deliver their vehicle faster and maintain consistent quality.
And their whole system stays flexible, which is key in today's fast-changing world and market of electric vehicles.
So we'll say, to wrap up, Tesla just-in-time system is not just about timing. It's about combining smart technology, strong supplier relationships, and also flexible production. So thank you so much, Vanessa and Trisha, for joining today.
Thanks, Meha. That's so fun.
Yeah, thanks. I always enjoy these kind of chats.
And that's all for today episode of Business Buzz. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye.